Many others were not successful. So we want to be with them. We know that these brothers and sisters are in need of our healing, special leading, spiritual nurturing, to enable them to move to the next stage of life.
We already met with the Deputy President, who is now President-elect, in terms of engaging with him just to hear his thoughts on how is he going to bring and promote peace and cohesion in our country out to the other two leaders. And we have been given indications that we are going to meet with Honorable Raila, and we're also going to meet with the President in due course, so that we can also emphasize the same.
I call upon all Kenyans to embrace peace and national cohesion. As Kenyans, we have committed ourselves to be guided by the rule of law and should not allow the electoral process to divide us.